Okay, so I have entered the trade. For the past week or two, even, it has been uptrend every single day. So I saw an opportunity for 9:45 candle to come down and hit the uptrend line, and then it bounced back huge. And then 10 o'clock we had a news, so I had to wait for that to come out. And then right after it start, the 10 o'clock candle broke above 9:45 body, 9:45 candles body. I went in. I put I moved a stop loss to a break even, because it's just moving so fast. And I normally wait for 10 until 10:15, but this just happened so quick. I decided to enter here. So I'm not 100% sure about how much it can go up. So I moved my stop loss to break even, and I'm just gonna wait and see what it does from here on. Now, ideally, I would like to see this candle breaking this high here. That was morning high. I called it morning high. The 9:30 candle open, came all the way up, made a high, and then went back down. So I like to see this candle breaking this high and continue to go up. But sometimes it will just hit the opening high or opening low and then reverse. So I think there's more chance that today is an uptrend day again and keep going up, but we never know. So I'll just wait and see if this breaks it. Okay, it's hitting. So let's see if it continues up from here on. Maybe I'll move my stop loss even closer. I'm kind of trading at this point because I'm not 100% sure if this can break out of, continue to go up from here on. But what's bothering me is the opening high. It hit and broke opening high, and now it's pulling back. So now it was up, I think like 60 or 70 pips, and now back down to 34 pips, 30 pips. And I'd like to see this candle stay above the line. I'm just going to move my profit target a little bit wider. At this point, I'm going to trail it a little bit. Okay, so far it's looking good. I have 2 minutes left to go. Alright, since it's having a hard time, I'm just going to leave my trail stop here below next 15-minute candle. Doesn't look good here. It is definitely struggling to continue to go up. Or I might get stopped out here. Huh. It came down one tick above my stop loss. I'm just gonna move my stop a little bit. Alright, it's going back up again. Oh, I just don't know. It's it's past 100 pips now, so I'm gonna look into close at some point. Okay, I'm just gonna close it here because I don't know if this is gonna continue to go up or not. I know I'm being impatient, but I'll take 100 pips. Okay, so I've made $6,858 today. Good day. Today was a good day.